Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all calorie deficit diet plan for weight loss. Now this diet plan will only contain 700 to 750 calories of your entire day meals and will definitely help you lose weight fast as it's a calorie deficit plan. Now recently my lots of clients have followed this diet plan for their weight loss and have achieved tremendous results. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number. And I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey and help you transform your body. So without any delay, let's get started with calorie deficit diet plan for weight loss. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with aloe vera juice. Now all you have to do is, you can also use fresh aloe vera or get it from the market as well. 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera juice in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Just mix it well and consume it as your early morning drink. It is great for your weight loss as it promotes and boosts your metabolism and also is great for your blood sugar control as well. If you cannot have aloe vera juice, then you can also substitute it with lukewarm lemon water. You can also add pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to this. Now let's proceed towards your breakfast. For calorie deficit weight loss, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one would be yogurt with added fruits and nuts. All you have to do is take low fat curd, blend it well, and in this you can add some fresh chopped fruits. You can use pomegranate, kiwi, apple or any seasonal fresh fruit, but except mango, banana or chiku as they are very high in sugar. And along with that, don't forget to add your soaked nuts. You can also use some seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and along with that, make sure to add 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and some chopped and soaked figs, that is anjeer. Second option for your calorie deficit breakfast would be oatmeal with fruits. Now we'll prefer here to use gluten-free oats only for extreme weight loss results and as well as to control our sugar levels as well. The recipe for gluten-free oatmeal with fruits is here. It's very simple to prepare. The link is also given in the description box below. You can check it out. I have prepared a special video for it. It's super simple breakfast option for your weight loss and hardly takes 5 minutes to prepare. Third option for your low calorie breakfast would be chana salad. Now you can also sprout the chanas. You can use black chana, white chana, whatever of your own choice, and you can also sprout these. Prepare a good salad with it. You can add cucumber, tomato, lettuce, whatever is available freshly in the season, and also do not add any kind of table salt to this salad. All you have to do is just put lemon juice, black pepper powder and roasted jeera powder. It tastes amazing without salt as well. Now let's proceed towards your mid-morning snack. For your mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is you can chop 1 cucumber and have it raw. Do not add any kind of table salt to this again. You can add lemon juice, black pepper powder and roasted jeera powder of this and have it. Second option can be a freshly brewed cup of green tea. Again, great for your antioxidant level and as well as helps you boost your metabolism too. Now let's proceed towards your lunch. As usual, 15 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in fresh lukewarm water. All you have to do is just add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water and consume it 30 minutes before our lunch. It helps you control your blood sugar levels and improves your digestion as well. Now let's proceed towards your lunch. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is gluten-free oats chila. Now the recipe for gluten-free oats chila is here. It's very simple. All you have to do is just add lots and lots of veggies to your oats flour, add water or curd for the consistency, add some spices to this and prepare your chila. You can have it with some curd or you can have it with any fresh prepared chutney. Do not forget to have lots and lots of salad along with this. Second option for your lunch would be stir-fry vegetables with some salad and curd. Now the recipe for stir-fry veggies is also up on my channel. This is the recipe for stir-fried or grilled veggies. Very easy to prepare and lots of fiber intake is possible with this lunch option. You can check this recipe out and have it for your lunch. Third option would be paneer bhurji or tofu bhurji with salad. Great fiber content, great protein content. You can also add lots of veggies to this paneer bhurji or tofu bhurji and as well as do not forget to have along with it lots and lots of salad. Prepare a big plate of salad only for yourself and always have it with your lunch. These are the calorie deficit lunch options for you for this meal plan. Now let's proceed towards your mid-evening snack. For your mid-evening snack, you can have black tea or black coffee. If you're not a tea or coffee person, then you can also have green tea. Along with this, you can have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts or 10 to 15 roasted makhanas, but no salt to be added over the makhanas at all. Now let's proceed towards your dinner. For dinner, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is, of course, a very low calorie soup. First soup option is lemon coriander soup. Super easy to prepare and the recipe is linked in the description box below. For other option for your soup can be tomato spinach soup. Very easy to prepare again. Hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to prepare this soup and is again great for your antioxidant level, for your protein intake and also for your iron deficiency too. You can always replace your salt with lemon juice, black pepper powder and roasted jeera powder in soup as well. So you can try it once. If you do not like it, then you can add pinch of pink Himalayan salt, but you can always replace your salt with lemon juice and all of these spices, as salt after sunset tends to create bloating and water retention. Second option for your low calorie dinner option is mixed veg raita. Now in this dinner option you can add lots and lots of veggies and salad to this. You can add chopped and grated cucumber, tomato, chopped iceberg lettuce or grated and boiled ghee. This is again amazing option for your calorie deficit dinner, promotes weight loss and is very good for your skin as well. Third option for your low calorie dinner would be, you can prepare palak curry. All you have to do is prepare in the same form that you prepare palak paneer, but we'll not add paneer in this as we'll keep it very low in calorie for the dinner. If you cannot have palak or spinach because of any reason, you can have MAKHANA curry as well. And the recipe for both of these is in the description box below. You can check it out. It's very easy to prepare and as well as delicious. You can always try to minimize your salt intake in these as well. And do not forget to have lots and lots of salad with this dinner option as well. Now it's time for your bedtime drink. For your bedtime drink, we'll as usual have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Again, great for relieving your stress and as well as boosts your metabolism for the entire night. With this diet plan, make sure to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water without fail for hydration and as well as for kicking out the bad toxins from your digestive system. With the help of this diet plan, my lots and lots of clients were able to lose great weight and as well as have seen tremendous weight loss transformations. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number. I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey. If you have any query regarding this diet plan or any diet plan, you can always comment below and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I post great weight loss transformations of all my clients and also their diet plans. And do subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.